Welcome to my channel where I share kids activity ideas, craft projects, and fun science experiments for busy parents. Today I show you the red cabbage experiment, which helps us explore the acidity of different substances. We'll make red cabbage juice, which will act as our pH indicator. All you need to do is slice up some red cabbage and place it in a container. Then pour hot water over it and let it sit for about an hour. Once it's ready, strain the liquid into a measuring cup. Now we'll fill small containers with different liquids of varying acidity. The red cabbage experiment works because of the anthocyanins in the cabbage, which are natural pH indicators. The pigments are water-soluble and change color based on how acidic or basic the substance is. When mixed with an acidic liquid, like lemon juice or vinegar, the cabbage juice turns reddish or pink. In a neutral solution, like water, it stays purple. But when mixed with a basic liquid, like baking soda or soap, it changes to green, blue, or even yellow, depending on how strong the base is. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Join me next time, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.